Union City, California. Union City is a city in the San Francisco Bay Area in Alameda County, California, United States, located approximately 19 miles south of Oakland, 30 miles southeast of San Francisco, and 20 miles north of San Jose. Incorporated in 1959, combining the communities of Alvarado, New Haven, and Decoto, the city has 73,877 residents and a very diverse population. Alvarado is a California historical landmark, number 503. The city celebrated its 50th anniversary in 2009. The cities of Fremont and Newark make up the Tri-City area to the south. The city of Hayward surrounds the city to the north. In 2017, Union City started to rebrand and got a new city seal. Union City opened a new teen center in 2018. Geography. According to the United States Census Bureau, the city has a total area of 19 square miles, 49 square kilometers, all land with no bay frontage. The Niles Cone Aquifer, managed by the Alameda County Water District, supplies much of the water consumed by Union City. Demographics. 2010. The 2010 United States Census reported that Union City had a population of 69,516. The population density was 3,570.6 people per square mile, 1,378.6/km superscript 2. The racial makeup of Union City was 16,640, 23.9%. White, 4,402, 6.3%. Black, 329, 0.5%. Native American, 35,363, 50.9%. Asian, 20.0%. Filipino, 12% Indian, 12% Chinese, 3.7% Vietnamese, 0.9% Korean, 0.6% Japanese, 0.6% Pakistani, 0.4% Burmese, 0.2% Cambodian, 892, 1.3%. Pacific Islander, 7,253, 10.4%, from other races, and 4,637, 6.7%, from two or more races. Hispanic or Latino of any race were 15,895 persons, 22.9%. The census reported that 68,998 people, 99.3% of the population, lived in households, 422, 0.6%, lived in non-institutionalized group quarters, and 96, 0.1%, were institutionalized. There were 20,433 households, out of which 9,066, 44.4%, had children under the age of 18 living in them, 12,734, 62.3%, were opposite-sex married couples living together, 2,761, 13.5%, had a female householder with no husband present, 1,182, 5.8%, had a male householder with no wife present. There were 856, 4.2%, unmarried opposite-sex partnerships, and 128, 0.6%, same-sex married couples or partnerships. 2,740 households, 13.4%, were made up of individuals, and 1,002, 4.9%, had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 3.38. There were 16,677 families, 81.6% of all households. The average family size was 3.69. The population was spread out with 16,847 people, 24.2%, under the age of 18, 6,453 people, 9.3%, aged 18 to 24, 20,360 people, 29.3%, aged 25 to 44, 18,146 people, 26.1%, aged 45 to 64, and 7,710 people, 11.1%, who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 36.2 years. For every 100 females, there were 97.5 males. For every 100 females age 18 and over, there were 93.8 males. There were 21,258 housing units at an average density of 1,091.9 per square mile, for 21.6/km superscript 2, of which 20,433 were occupied, of which 13,580, 66.5%, were owner-occupied, and 6,853, 33.5%, were occupied by renters. The homeowner vacancy rate was 1.5%, the rental vacancy rate was 5.3%. 46,272 people, 66.6% of the population, lived in owner-occupied housing units, and 22,726 people, 32.7%, lived in rental housing units. As of 2019, the median price of a house in Union City is from $800,000 to $1 million. Union City population in 2019 was 73,877. 2000. As of 2000, the population was 66,869 and 15,696 families residing in Union City, and a total of 17,130 jobs and 32,700 employed residents in 2000. The population density was 3,473.0 inhabitants per square mile, 1,341.2/km superscript 2. There were 18,877 housing units at an average density of 980.4 per square mile, 378.6/km superscript 2. There were 18,642 households, out of which 45.3% had children under the age of 18 living with them, 66.6% were married couples living together, 12.2% had a female householder with no husband present, and 15.8% were non-families. 11.3% of all households were made up of individuals, and 3.8% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 3.57 and the average family size was 3.83. The median price of a house in Union City is about $400,000. In the city, the population varied widely in age, with 27.8% under the age of 18, 9.8% from 18 to 24, 32.7% from 25 to 44, 21.6% from 45 to 64, and 8.1% who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 33 years. For every 100 females, there were 98.9 males. For every 100 females age 18 and over, there were 96.0 males. According to a 2007 estimate, the median income for a household in the city was $84,384, and the median income for a family was $87,114. Males had a median income of $45,212 versus $35,085 for females. The per capita income for the city was $22,890. About 4.8% of families and 6.5% of the population were below the poverty line, including 7.0% of those under age 18 and 6.5% of those age 65 or over. History. The first community in what is now Union City was founded in 1850 by John and William Horner, also called Union City, after their Sacramento River steamship, the Union. In 1854, it merged with the nearby community of New Haven to form the town of Alvarado on the western side of town, named after the former Mexican governor, Juan Bautista Alvarado. Alvarado was the first county seat of Alameda County, a designation it soon lost to San Leandro. Further east, the town of Decoto was founded in 1870. It became a railroad hub, with the Transcontinental Railroad running through it. Alvarado Niles Road, one of the city's largest streets, connects the historical Fremont district of Niles with the historical Union City district of Alvarado. Union City is a former railroad and steel town with an extensive industrial heritage. The Pacific States Steel Company occupied the land behind Union City Station, which is now being redeveloped into the Union City Station district downtown. Relatives and descendants of former Pacific States steel workers receive compensation and preference when purchasing new station district housing. The Alvarado and Decoto neighborhoods were both former railroad hubs and both still have very active railroad lines that bisect both East End and the west side of town. Trains are a way of life in Union City, and natives are accustomed to waiting for Amtrak and freight trains to cross while commuting the city thoroughfares. In the 1950s, Alvarado and Decoto, the latter now making up the eastern side of the town, were annexation targets of the nearby communities of Newark, Hayward, and what would become Fremont. In January 13, 1959, they decided to incorporate themselves into a single city, and named it after the Horners' original settlement, Union City. Tom Kitayama served as the city's first mayor in 1959 and was involved in Union City politics for 32 years until his retirement in 1991. The population of the city grew from 6,000 in 1959 to 73,000 in 2019. Economy. Union City is the location of the American Licorice Company's West Coast operations, having moved there in 1971 from San Francisco. Union City is home to 3 major healthcare providers, a Kaiser Permanente facility, a Tiburcio Vasquez Health Center, and Washington Hospital's Nakamura Clinic. Union City also has a large number of industrial and shipping companies, including RNS Manufacturing, RCD Concrete, Jatco, and Entirely Pets. Local shopping. Union Landing Shopping Center is a 100-acre shopping center, adjacent to Interstate 880 in Union City, and is one of the largest centers in the city and has about 70 stores. Ross Dress for Less will be moving into Union Landing vacant Sports Authority building in June 2019. The mall was completed in 1999 after several years of debate on the land. The land was previously a movie park. 1 year later, a nearby Target shopping center was built near Hayward/Union City border near Interstate 880 on Whipple Road. Top employers. According to Union City's June 2012 Comprehensive Annual Financial Report, the top employers in the city are: Education. New Haven Unified School District serves 11,900 students from the cities of Union City and Hayward, South. The district consists of 7 K-5 elementary schools, 2 6-8 middle schools, 1 comprehensive high school, James Logan High School, and 1 adult/K-12 independent study school. In December 2015, the New Haven Unified School District renamed Alvarado Middle School to Itliang Veracruz Middle School in honor of Philip Veracruz and Larry Itliang. The school district has also invested in going all solar at school sites to cut energy costs. They also have an arts center and new track and field at James Logan High School. Cornerstone International College, located at 725 Whipple Road, is the first post-secondary institution established in Union City. Purple Lotus Buddhist School is a K-12 school in Union City. Union City lies within the Olón Community College District and Shabu Las Positas Community College District. Transportation. Several transit systems serve Union City, including AC Transit, the Dumbarton Express, Bay Area Rapid Transit, BART, and the city's own Union City Transit. Union City Transit started in 1974, runs 9 bus lines throughout Union City and parts of Hayward. The BART rail system came to Union City when the system opened in 1972. In 2007, the Union City BART station was rebuilt and developed into Union City Intermodal Transit Station. A second entrance is planned that will provide future connections to multimodal trains. Union City is also served by a network of high-capacity streets, with 4 exits on Interstate 880, Nimitz Freeway, express lanes will open on Interstate 880 freeway by 2020. Highway 238 also serves the city, Mission Boulevard. Station Downtown District. Union City has invested $100 million into an expansion of the downtown district, including development surrounding the existing BART station, which is itself under construction to link BART with passenger rail services, Capitol Corridor, Dumbarton Rail Corridor and Altamont Corridor Express, ACE. The city is planning 1.2 million square feet of office space and 1,700 units are under construction, east of BART station on 11th Street. The city expects the project will add 5,000 jobs and revenue. Fresenius Medical Corporation and Vicarious Inc. moved in a brand new 2-story office building, near Union City BART station in 2019. Government. Union City runs a council-manager government. The city council consists of 5 representatives, the mayor, and 4 council members, each elected citywide, no district elections. Mayor and elected council members serve a 4-year term, with a full 3-term limit. Carol Dutravernacci is first female mayor of Union City, taking office on December 11, 2012. The 2-story William Kinn Memorial Civic Center, built in 1970, houses City Hall, the police station headquarters, and a separate Alameda County branch library building. It is located at the corner of Alvarado Niles Road and Royal Ann Drive. On July 11, 2015, Union City Police Department hosted a Justice and Equality Summit in the hopes of encouraging community conversation and with the goal building bridges of understanding, trust, and community. This first-of-its-kind event gave the community an opportunity to have a real talk discussion with Union City Police and the chance to ask key questions. The idea for a summit first arose in October 2014 as a way to get community members together to talk about policing issues and to get to know each other better. On December 9, 2014, over 300 James Logan High students organized a peaceful die-in demonstration in front of the police department, a phenomenon that had been occurring in front of police departments around the United States, symbolizing the police community strain that was happening in Ferguson, Missouri. UCPD response was quite effective in making sure it was handled well, and they received considerable praise from the community. This summit was hosted by the New Haven Unified School District's superintendent, the city manager, vice mayor, a faith leader, youth leader, and Chief McAllister, the first black chief of the Union City Police Department. Politics. In 2017, Union City had 35,857 registered voters with 19,644, 54.8%, registered as Democrats, 4,200, 11.7%, registered as Republicans, and 10,693, 29.8%, declined to state voters. Union City is a Democratic stronghold in presidential elections. The last Republican to receive at least 1/3 of the vote was George H.W. Bush in 1988. Media. Union City, Fremont, and Newark, collectively known as the Tri-Cities, had a daily newspaper called the Argus, which has ceased publication. Union City Patch also serves the community and is part of the Patch.com, a network community news websites that provide residents and visitors city news. The biweekly Tri-City Voice newspaper is the remaining print media in Union City. Cultural landmarks. The Bay Area Flight 93 Memorial is in Sugar Mill Landing Park. It was the first monument completed in the United States designed to honor the passengers and crew of United Airlines Flight 93, which was homeward bound for San Francisco, but was hijacked and crashed in rural Pennsylvania on September 11, 2001. The first sugar beet factory in the United States was located in Union City, called the California Beet Sugar Company. The Eden Landing Ecological Reserve is located at the bay shore of Union City and Hayward. Site of the first county courthouse. Alameda County's first courthouse was located in Union City, starting on June 6, 1853. The original courthouse was a 2-story wooden building that was originally a mercantile that included a post office. It was built by A.M. Church and Henry C. Smith. In 1865 the county seat was moved to San Leandro. With the widening of Union City Boulevard, the original site has since been paved over. The site is listed on the California Historical Landmarks list. Masonic Home at Union City. Masonic Home at Union City, a senior living community for Masons and their wives or widows, has as its centerpiece a large brick administration building 5 stories high, built in the 1930s, visible from Mission Boulevard. The administration building was identified as a significant historic property in the 1974 Historic Resource Inventory of Washington Township. Interior features include a main staircase with stained glass windows, a parlor filled with antiques, and paintings of 14 U.S. presidents who were Masons. 10 more buildings have been built on this 305-acre campus, including Acacia Creek, a continuing care retirement community for all seniors, both Masons and non-Masons. But they are all hidden from view from Mission Boulevard by this historic significant administration building. Climate. Sister Cities. The Human Relations Commission, an advisory board to the Union City City Council, recommends and maintains relations with international sister cities. As of 2012, 6 sister cities were represented. Notable people.